Hi, my name is Juan. I'm the owner for J.O Roofing Inc. I had a company. We help the people when they have some roofing problem. I respect the client time and I have 4 simple steps. One is schedule, roof inspection, sign the contract, and when do you like to start the roof? And I take care of the rest. Where I tell my team, say, respect the client, respect the property, and making sure every day clean up and after leaving clean up too. I certify with GF, with Brava roofing tile, and the Mule High roof tile, and the Mule High TPO roofing system, and metal roof system, and certainty roofing system. A couple years ago, when I have 30 years, I say when I had 30 years, I would like to have company. But after the COVID-19 and almost died, and I say I'm here, and I would like to create legacy for my family, for the peoples, and for motivation to the people. The client, they had too many problems when the people is not real and the right price. They give some price and after start the project, they start do a lot of change order because they not include everything in the. I'm the expert in the roof. I had 20 years experience in the roof. I'm not here to play in your house. I would like to do everything right and professional with your house. J.O Roofing, I wait for your call. Don't wait for damage your house. You can call now.